When it comes to securing your financial future, especially as you approach retirement, knowing what you need to know before buying a gold IRA is critical. If you're looking for a safe and stable investment that can help protect your wealth, then you're in the right place. Gold IRAs offer an incredible way to safeguard your savings, but there are a few things you need to know before you make the move. First, let's talk about why a gold IRA is even something worth considering in the first place. The US dollar and stock market can be volatile, especially with economic shifts. As a retiree, you want to ensure that your wealth is protected from inflation, market crashes, and economic uncertainty. Gold, however, has proven itself time and again as a stable store of value throughout history. Unlike paper assets, gold holds intrinsic value, making it a top choice for those seeking stability. But it's not just about getting gold. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and growing it, you need to understand the details of how a gold IRA works. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold in your retirement account with the same tax advantages as a traditional IRA. That means you're not only protecting your wealth, but also deferring taxes until you withdraw, which can be a major advantage for retirees. Now, it's important to mention that not all gold IRAs are created equal. There are a lot of companies out there, and not all of them have your best interests in mind. Some charge high fees, others might not have the best customer service, and a few might even try to sell overpriced gold. This is where a trusted gold IRA provider comes in. Be sure to research companies, look at their reviews, and verify that they have a solid track record with satisfied customers. If you're thinking about making the switch to a gold IRA, it's also key to understand the process. First, you'll need to find a custodian who specializes in gold IRAs, someone who can handle all the paperwork, ensure the gold is properly stored, and keep everything compliant with IRS rules. You'll also need to make sure that the gold you purchase meets the IRS-approved standards. This can sound complicated, but with the right guidance, it's actually pretty straightforward. If you're still on the fence, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description. It'll take you to a free gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans have already used to help them protect their wealth. Whether you have $100,000 or $5 million in savings, this guide will give you a clear understanding of why so many retirees are making the switch to gold IRAs and how you can do it too. This is crucial if you're serious about securing your financial future within the next 2 weeks. Another important point to consider is your storage options. With a gold IRA, you don't want to simply keep the gold at home. The IRS requires that your precious metals be stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. This ensures that your investment is protected and meets the necessary standards. You'll also want to make sure that you can access your gold when needed, but at the same time, keeping it stored properly is a vital part of the process. A common concern among retirees is the idea of liquidity. But here's the thing. Unlike other investments, like real estate or even some stocks, gold can be quickly liquidated if needed. You can sell at any time, and since it's recognized worldwide, you can easily convert it to cash if your needs change. This flexibility makes gold IRAs a strong contender for those who want to be sure they have access to funds in a crisis without losing the value of their savings. If you're looking at other investment options like bonds or stocks, it's important to remember that while they can yield returns, they don't offer the same level of security as gold. Gold is a tangible asset that will not lose its value due to market fluctuations. Unlike stocks that can crash overnight, gold has historically only risen in value or remained steady during times of economic turmoil. This is why a gold IRA is an essential part of any solid retirement strategy. So, if you want to be prepared for whatever economic uncertainties come your way, a gold IRA could be the perfect option for you. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, now is the time to act. Protecting your wealth with a gold IRA is one of the smartest moves you can make in retirement. To get started, don't forget to click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide. You'll get the full picture of why thousands of retirees are choosing gold to safeguard their futures. Take action now, before it's too late.